This was the program that was written for a 4 by 1 marks in behavioral modeling. Coming to 4 by 1 marks, here we are going to have 4 inputs called as I0, I1, I2 and I3, and 2 selector inputs called as S0 and S1. I0, I1, I2 and I3, and 2 selector inputs called as S0 and S1. And we are going to have only one output called as out. So this is 4 by 1 marks. Depending upon the selector input combinations, we are going to get the output here. So 2 selector inputs, thereby we are going to have 4 different combinations. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 are the 4 combinations. Depending upon the input combinations, we are going to get the output. So here in input lines 0, 1, 2 and 3. So if the input combination, selector input combination is 0, 0, its decimal equivalent is 0. So whatever may be the input that is connected to the 0 line, nothing but I0 will be appearing at the output. Out. So out is going to take the value as I0. When the selector input combination is 0, 1, its decimal equivalent is 1. Thereby, whatever may be the input in one line, that is I1, will be assigned to out. When the input combination is 1, 0, its decimal equivalent is 2. Then the input that is connected to line 2, nothing but I2, is assigned to out. So out is going to take the value as I2. Then the selector input combination is 1, 1. Its decimal equivalent is 3. So the input that is connected to line 3, here the input is I3. So I3 will be connected to out. So out is going to take the value as I3. This is the truth table for a 4 by 1 marks. So based upon the selector input combinations, that corresponding line whose decimal equivalent matches that corresponding line will be selected and appears at the output terminal. So we are writing the program for that, with starting with the keyword called as the module name. Within the parenthesis, we are going to define the outputs followed by inputs. These are the actual inputs and these two are the selector inputs terminated with semicolon. Output is a scalar, even inputs are also scalars here. So input I0, I1, I2, I3 separated by the comma and terminated with semicolon. Output, the keyword output, we are going to have out. Then the two selector inputs S1 and S0 and S1 are specified as inputs. The output is stored and it is represented in the form of register. In behavioral modeling, the output is represented in the form of register out. So either we can use the initial statement or always statement. Whenever we use these two, it automatically says that the program is written in the behavioral model. So here we are going to use the always statement. Always at the rate means whenever there is a change in the input parameters, the next statements are going to be executed. So whenever there is a change in S1 or S0 or I0 or I1 or I2 or I3, whenever there is a change in the inputs, then begin. We are going to use a case statement here. Case S0 and S1, these are concatenated together. Actually, S0 and S1 are the scalars. Individually, it is going to take the value as 0 or 1. But when we are going to use the flower braces, it indicates that they are concatenated together. Means S naught, S1, S naught, if it is going to take the value, it can take the value as 0, 0 or 0, 1 or 1, 0 and 1, 1. So this is the meaning of concatenation. So case, expression, choice, assignment. So here expression, if the expression is going to take the value as 0, 0, then this particular expression, it matches with this particular choice. When it is matching this particular choice, then I naught will be assigned to out. If the expression is going to take the value as 0, 1, means it is matching with this particular choice 0, 1. Thereby, when the selector input is 0, 1, then I1 will be assigned to out. If the expression is going to take the value as 1, 0, then it matches with this particular choice as 1, 0. Then whatever may be the decimal, its decimal equivalent is 2. 1, 0 means decimal equivalent is 2. Then I2 will be assigned to out. And the last combination, when S1 and S0 are going to take, the expression is going to take the value as 1, 1, then I3 will be assigned to out. Default means if this expression is going to take some other values other than 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That means either it may be 1 don't care or don't care 1 or 1 undefined, like this. If it is going to take any of these other combinations other than these four, then by default, one bit of binary out, a don't care will be assigned to out. One bit of binary don't care is assigned to out. So since we are starting with the case statement, we are ending this particular case with end case. And starting with the begin, we are going to end, we are going to use the end this particular block, always block. And starting with the module, we are going to end this particular module. In this way, we are going to write a program in the behavioral model. And this program is written for 4 by 1 marks using the case statement. We can use the conditional if statement also, while, if, loop statements. So these are the different statements that are used in the behavioral modeling. So here in this example, case statement is being used.